Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial in Tech and Nanogeeks, and this is your host Prudhi. Today we're gonna see how to hack in-app purchases in any Android app. Considering it should be a non-server sided app, server sided are much complicated to hack. You need to hack the server for that. So we're gonna hack any non-server sided app. Like there are a lot, and to do this hack we need two apps. Mainly we are going to be using two apps. One is this one, the freedom, only freedom, not the freedom, and the other means Lucky Patcher. Although both of them works flawlessly, I recommend using Lucky Patcher since I had used freedom, and it has some side effects. Not side effects, bad effects, like you may get banned from the Play Store sometimes, etc. So better to go with Lucky Patcher. So opening Lucky Patcher right away. Now here it shows all the apps which you have in your phone and which can be patched, which cannot be patched, etc, etc. Here we have, this is some app I'm making, and see here Android Dumper. This is some Wi-Fi hacking application, and this has Google Ads and free play. So let's go to MuteTorrent. See, it also has Google Ads found, license verification found, in-app purchase found. So we're going to hack this first. Just click on it and press launch app to launch the app. Once it got loaded, see here we have upgrade to Pro. Once it gets loaded, it's just a single click away. Click on this and see here it gets opened automatically, and just press S. That's all. Congratulations, you are successfully upgraded to uTorrent Pro. You now start enjoying Pro features. That's all guys. We have upgraded MuteTorrent to Pro. You can see here MuteTorrent Pro version, and same we can do for many other applications, like for example take Solid Explorer. Clicking launch app, and here see here I have it, unlock full version. Just pressing on this, you will get this one. Click yes. That's all, full version. Thank you for purchasing application, have fun. Okay, you can do this to hack many non-server side apps, I expect. And now, and I must tell you about this game topic, Talking Tom, what do you call, Lucky Patcher. Now you don't even need to it might mimic me. That's going to be funny, and anyway I'm not gonna allow this one, so I'll keep talking. So what you got to do is, my niece was once playing with this, and what she did was that was funny. And she was playing this, and after some time I noticed that her coins have got to some millions. I didn't know how. She was just a small kid, not even 4 to 5 years, I expect, and she was getting all the coins. Now I didn't understand how was she buying. Then I asked her, how did you get all the coins? Then she simply opened it, pressed something like this, and she don't know anything. She just know to press yes. So she pressed yes. That's all. You see, plus 3,000, 3 lakh. Sorry, what is that? 3,20,000 in Indian. Good credit, and you can press this infinite number of times to get unlimited coins. You can keep on pressing this to get unlimited coins, and this is how she was doing. And she doesn't even know that it's kind of hack. She was thinking that she's getting some free coins, etc. And so these are the features of Lucky Patcher. In this way you can hack any app using Lucky Patcher. You can do the same with freedom also, but I don't recommend using freedom because you may get banned from the Play Store sometimes. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe for more. See you next time.